Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn. It is a long gap. I didn't make any videos on YouTube from past 1 month. So from this tutorial, we will make an e-commerce website locally on our laptop with WordPress. Then we will move our website into live. Right now, no need to pay any money and no need to host our website in GoDaddy or any other hosting companies. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Now open your favorite browser, then search for Bitnami WordPress on Google. Here you can observe the first link bitnami.com. You can click on that link. After clicking on that link, we'll move to bitnami.com. Here you can observe that WordPress. So we want WordPress for Windows. So now click on Windows, Mac or Linux option here. Then scroll down. Here you can observe that download for Windows 64-bit. Then click on that link to download WordPress. So after clicking on that link, it will ask you to create account or it will ask you to sign up. It is not necessary. So click on no thanks. After clicking on no thanks, it will ask you to save the file. So click on save and select the path where you want to save. I am saving in downloads, then save the file. It will take some time. It is depending upon your internet connection. If you have good internet connection, it will download fast. After completing download, open the file location. Okay, here is my file and right click on file. After right clicking, right click on file. Here you can observe run as administrator. Click on that. So it will ask you permission to run. Then click on yes. It won't be record. So I am telling that. So click on yes. Here you can observe that please select language. Okay, I am going with English. Then click on OK. So set up Bitnami WordPress stock. Okay, simply click on next. Then again click on next. Email address, login, password and confirm password are important. And with help of email or login, we can log in into our WordPress dashboard. These are necessary to log in into WordPress dashboard. So remember this email or username and password. So I am giving my name and email address. Okay, I am giving a King Store admin and password. So while giving password, we need to give only alphabets and numerics. Just we need to enter alphabets and numbers, that's it. And in login, only we need to provide small letters. We don't have any chance to provide capital letters. So make sure that click on next. If you make any error, it will show you the error message. If you don't have any error, it will go to next step. Apache web server port, this is your wish. You can give any number. I am giving 81. So make sure that you should remember this. So it will be useful when we open our website in the browser. We need to enter this port after localhost. So remember that port. So then click on next. Here you can give your website name, King Store. Okay, then click next. If you want to get any configure mail support, you can check that. Then click on next. So if you enable this, it will ask you to give your email address and password. Okay, then click on next. So everything is ready. Okay, then click on next. Here you can observe that ready to install. If you click on next, it will install on our computer. Wait a while to complete this process. It will take some time. In the middle of installation, it may ask to give some permissions. Simply click on allow. Okay, after completing installation, here you can observe that launch Bitnami WordPress stock. Okay, check that box, then click on finish. It will navigate you to browser. Bitnami WordPress installed. So now search for localhost WordPress. If you didn't get any site here, simply add Apache web server port. My web server is 81, so I am adding localhost :81/WordPress. Now here you can observe that here is our website. Okay, if you want to log in into WordPress dashboard, simply enter login. So it will navigate you to login into WordPress. Here you need to provide username and email address. These are the details which we entered while installing the Bitnami WordPress on our computer. So you can enter email address or you can enter username. So I am giving my email address and password. Then simply click on login. If you want, you can save your password. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Here you can make any changes regarding to your website. If you want to add any themes, templates, or if you want to change the pages and all, you can do here. Here you can do anything regarding to your website. Okay, now we will add a new theme to our website. So simply click on appearance, then click on themes. Here you can add new theme to our WordPress, then click on add new theme. Okay, first we will make a theme, then we will add a new e-commerce theme template to our website. Okay, click on install. If you want, you can preview the template how it will be visible on our website. Okay, Astra theme installing. After completing installation, then click on activate. After clicking on activate, the template will be added to our site. Now go to our previous template, then click on refresh. Now click on refresh icon. Now you can observe that the theme was changed. Like that, we can use WordPress without paying any money, and we can make a website locally on our computer. So after completing our website, then we can move our website from locally to live. Like this, we need to install WordPress on our computer locally, and we need to add theme to our website. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. So in next tutorial, we will add a new e-commerce theme and we will add some products to our e-commerce website. Thank you for watching.